What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I have got my Drysdale drone in the air trying to catch some of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie from an aerial view. Hey, folks, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves these comments, and everybody who hits that like button. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps out my channel. Also, hit that like button. If you don't like my content, that's fine too. Hit the dislike button. Just engage. Thanks, everybody, for your well wishes on my rehabbing. I still got a little bit of ways to go, but at least I can come out here and go fishing. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. That's about a 10-inch fish. She ain't the biggest, but she gonna make the cut. We're gonna keep her. That's another good fish. Ooh, that one is a good fish. So folks, I done came into the Drysdale drone. I started filming on the Drysdale drone. We're gonna put you up there. There he goes. There he goes. I got him. I got him. Got him. That's a good fish. 11 and a half inches. Maybe 12. She might be 12 inches. Let's check her out. I think she's 12. Yep. She's 12. That qualifies as a big Shirley. That's a 12-incher. I thought that was a little fish, and it is. It's a little bitty old something. Now, look at how little that fish is right there. Will you look at that? Will you look at that there? See, this is how I win little fish tournaments sometimes. Little fishing tournaments. A little video or something. Get on out of here now. Get. Wasn't recording when I caught this one, but she's another big fish. This one's probably about 13 inches, maybe 14 inches. Put her in the bucket. And let's get ready to get the next one. Got him. She ain't as big as the other one, but she gonna make the cut. Oh, maybe she won't. She might be small. Let's see if she turned the bucket. Let's see if she turned the bucket. So what I'm doing is I am trying to find some of these bigger fish out here. I'm seeing some, this one here looks like a small one at 22 feet. I'm gonna throw on that one just because it's a good return. It might be bigger than what it looks on the screen, but we'll see. But the one right behind it at 36 feet is a really good looking fish. You see it. He got it. It's a good fish. She's going to make the cut too. About 11 inches. She ain't the biggest, but she won 11 inches. Gonna make it.
That one thought she was slick. You little bitty old runt. I saw you down there. I saw you down there stalking me. You ain't smart enough to know better. Go on out here now. Good. There you go. He moved. Here come. Here she comes. There she hit it. And I missed it. God dog it. She ain't going nowhere though. She put my pants down. Ain't going to the bottom. That's a good sized fish. They don't get to be big by being stupid. There she goes. She coming again. God dog it. That's the second time this fish done snapped at me and missed. Or I missed it. There we go. There she goes. Now she got it. Now she got it. Now she got it. I've been after this fish and she ain't that big. I'm gonna keep her anyway. I got some people that want fish. All right, YouTube. That is gonna wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. I am back at the Drysdale Airbnb. I got some work to do down here before a guest checks in. So let's take a look at what the live well looks like. Those are the last couple that I caught before I called it quits. I got a couple in the live well. I think I probably got about 8 to 10 fish. Let's take a look at the live well. You can't see them down there. They're kind of hiding, huh? All right, well, let me see if I can grab them by the shoulders. Come here, girl. You big Shirley, come here. Make me get out with you. That's another one. So, folks, now I'm filming into the sun. I never like that. There you go. So, folks, I'm going to go ahead and get these fish out of this live well. Go ahead and get to filleting them. And so, before I wrap all this up, I'm going to tell you all again, thank you for the well wishes for a speedy recovery and rehab. I'm still going through rehab. I think I'm like 40 days past surgery now, and this is actually my second time fishing on the Crappie assault vehicle. I came back out a couple days ago just to kind of give it a test run to see how I felt, and I felt pretty good. What I didn't anticipate on is walking across the street. That wore me out a little bit, but fortunately I get to sit down when I fish. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, you already know what it is, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, let me get one of these. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.